political battlefield of Bihar. NDA big guns rally behind Bihar NDA candidates. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Pawan Kalyan is to accompany NDA candidates. Nitish in Darbhanga for Bihar Minister Sahni's nomination. Yogi in Saharsa for nomination of BJP's Alok Ranjan. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister to accompany Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary for nominations. BJP MP Manoj Tiwari to be in Muzaffarpur and Chhapra. These are some of the big names that we are bringing to you at this point, as it is nomination day and all the NDA big guns are to be filing their nominations today. With that, we have Piyush Mishra joining us on the broadcast from Patna at this given point. Piyush, what's the sense that you're picking up from the ground at this point? Big leaders all to arrive in Bihar today for the nomination of these tall leaders. Piyush, we will get back to you. We'll just get that particular line repatched with our colleague. But right now, viewers, these are the details that we are bringing to you. Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary will be filing his nomination for the Tarapur Assembly seat in Munger, with Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Vishnudeo Sai being present with him. On the other hand, JDU Minister Vijay Kumar Chaudhary will be filing his nomination for the Sarai Ranjan Assembly seat in Samastipur, with Chief Minister Nitish Kumar himself being present. Chief Minister Nitish will be also travelling to Darbhanga post that to attend the nomination of JDU Minister Madan Sahni, with Sanjay Jha and Dilip Jaiswal accompanying. BJP's Ram Kripal Yadav will be filing his nomination from the Danapur Assembly seat in Patna, with Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who will also be arriving in Bihar today. Again, Yogi Adityanath will also be then travelling to Saharsa to attend the nomination of BJP candidate Alok Ranjan. BJP Minister Nitin Naveen will file his nomination for the Bankipur Assembly seat in Patna, with Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Vishnudeo Sai being present. Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan will be in Patna to attend the nomination of BJP candidate Sanjay Gupta for the Kumhrar Assembly seat. Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak will be in Begusarai to attend the nominations of BJP candidates. Manoj Tiwari, BJP MP, will be in Muzaffarpur and Chhapra to attend the nominations of some more BJP candidates. So these are some of the leaders that we've listed out for you. Piyush Mishra back with us on the broadcast. Piyush, if you can just hear me. We were just wanting a pulse of the ground at this point, as all tall leaders from across the country, NDA leaders, will be in Bihar for the nomination day.
Well, absolutely, Shreya. Today it's going to be a very important day, as various candidates of various political parties who are part of NDA, they will be filing their nomination. Why? Because today is the second last day of filing nomination. Tomorrow is the last day. So, all candidates would want their nominations to be filed as early as possible. And looking at that, top leaders of NDA, including Manoj Tiwari, Pawan Kalyan, and in fact, Nitish Kumar himself, even he is going to take part in various political rallies across Bihar. Today, the campaign will also be peaking for the Bihar Assembly elections. So today it's going to be a mega show of strength at the part of NDA, where top leaders from NDA will be taking part in various nomination filing, road shows, and also the entire ritual which will be followed, and all the processes those will be followed for the nomination. So we will see a lot of rallies and nomination that will be done by various candidates of NDA.
Right, Piyush. Piyush, I would request you to stay back with us. Let's quickly take our viewers up to date with all that's underway in Bihar.